Right now, doctors are keeping track of a new Omicron subvariant. It's called XBB.1.5. Doctors say it's one of the most transmissible variants we've seen yet. It's happening as COVID vaccination rates in Ohio are decreasing.
NBC4's Caleb Michael spoke to two local doctors today about this trend they are seeing. Caleb?
Yeah, Jen, the doctors I spoke with today say a lot of their patients are suffering from COVID fatigue, and understandably so. I mean, we're coming up on 3 years of the pandemic. Still, though, they are stressing the importance of protection. Masks, boosters, social distancing. Those are just a few of the words that have shaped our lives these last 3 years.
Everybody's tired of COVID.
But that does not mean COVID is tired of us.
You know, now's not really the time to take our foot off the gas.
Dr. Maddie Sabani with Ohio State recommends protecting ourselves.
It's important not only to have your primary series, but then also to get boosted with the newest COVID vaccine that's available right now.
Dr. Ben Bring with Ohio Health says, especially with this new Omicron subvariant.
It's actually one of the most transmissible variants that we've ever seen.
Ohio Department of Health data shows that nearly 7 million Ohioans finished their primary vaccine series. That's the first 2 shots. Compare that to the nearly 4 million Ohioans who got their first COVID booster shot. That number continues to drop to 1.6 million Ohioans who got their updated COVID booster shot. That one came out in September. It begs the question, why?
I know there's a lot of really bad information out there,
which doctors want to educate people on.
Probably the most studied vaccine in human history now, with the hundreds of millions of doses that have been administered. If you get the booster, you could still get COVID, but you're 3 times less likely to go to the hospital or die.
Because this is our reality.
COVID is here. These variants are going to be something that we have to keep a close eye on. And again, we're going to have to keep a close eye on what treatments do we have that work and what treatments do we have that are ineffective.
Both doctors agree that vaccination is the best form of protection that we have against COVID. They also say that in the spring we could see lesser restrictions if we continue to weather this storm. Local for you in Columbus, I'm Caleb Michael, NBC4.